Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. Today I'm going to unbox this. This is a CROSMAN Legacy 1000 BB and pellets rifle, and this one's built in America. It shoots pellets and BBs, holds 850 BBs, large capacity reservoir. Control your power. So when you give it 2 pumps, it go up to 550 feet per second. Or when you do a 6 pumps, go up to 850. 12 pumps, go up to 1,000 feet per second. Wow. So velocity is up to 1,000 feet per second. Perform best with the CROSMAN's ammo. So this one has a dual ammo, BB and then pellets. So I got this at Walmart for $54 plus tax, so it's about 58 something. So pretty good price. Innovation and quality since 1923, and it also comes with a nice scope. So there's a durable synthetic stock, and this is a 4x15 millimeter scope. Elevation adjustable rear sight and fiber optic front sight. There's your uniform easy pump force. Single shot pellets loading port is right there. And then easy access 850 shots BB reservoirs on the bottom right here. Here's the specification right here. It takes a .177 caliber BB. So BB is only up to 800 feet per second. Pellet, if it's lead, go up to 700 feet per second. And if you have the pellets alloy, it go up to 1,000 feet per second. So anyway, let's go ahead and open this up. It's a styrofoam. And it is sealed. So here's your scope. You need to take out the cap. Got the CROSMAN right there. Pretty nice. So you need to use a Phillips screwdriver, or if you have a flathead screwdriver, to mount this on the barrel. Oh no, not actually on the barrel, on the gun. Come with the instruction or owner's manual right here. So you load the BB, shake it, and then pull the spring and lock into position. So this is plastic, okay? And then you could adjust right here. Push up. This is your safety lock right here. So this is your reservoir right here. You need to push backward, push forward to lock. So you need to load all your BBs in here. And then it says once you load the BBs in there, you want to go ahead and go into the vertical like that. You want to twist left and right. And then you want to pull this back. And then you want to hold upright and then twist left and right so the BB could load in here. And then push this to lock the BBs. I'm not sure why it's, oh there you go, so hard. So this is where you could load your pellets in there, one at a time. And then you lock it in. Now it's ready to shoot once you cock it. See, I only pump it 2 times, so wow, pretty loud. And then you mount this over here. Yeah, I need to get my screwdriver, so. And it depends how far the distance you want. And this is, you could do some adjustment. All right. Anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in a comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.